It's cold and bright out here. So she's got a little knot right here in her head. That's from where she was trying to come out from below. Probably about this time tomorrow, that'll be almost gone. Oh, I know it, Sissy.
Yep, we're going to start this up.
I know it, Sissy.
Thanks
and she's
letting us
peeing.
observe this.
Oh,
Let her finish. It's alright. We'll just let her finish. Are you done there, Sissy? Maybe?
it's okay, baby.
Okay. Someone's gonna get her dried off, get all the blood off of her. She's a big baby, Mom. You did great. She's
Yay.
big.
Yeah, you did the count. Yep.
And so as we close later, we'll count again.
Yep.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good
Talk to
girl.
Daddy.
Girl.
Say, holy cow, Dad, what happened? What happened?
What's going on? It's cold out here.
Girl.
Yeah.
Aww.
This is her year. They should have been this delivered. So important. Yeah.
What breeds that?